In this video, we'll review the Gradebook in Rekods Schools. As a teacher, first ensure you are in the right class by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Once there, you can see a summary of your assignments by category, along with a full assignment list. To grade an assignment, click the A button next to the specific task and select Grade Assignment. You can see here that 0 out of 20 students have been graded. Let's grade the assignment. This is the section where you'll enter the grades for your students. Since no students have been graded, I'll grade a few of them for this demo. You have the option of providing comments or not. It's up to you. Now that I've graded a few of the students, I'll select Save All Changes. We can now see the update showing I've graded 3 students for this assignment. To edit an assignment's details, click the Edit button. You can change the name, category, due date, or description. For example, let's rename this assignment to Verbs and save. You'll notice although the toast notification tells us the update was successful, the name of the assignment hasn't changed. To see this change reflected in your list, simply refresh the view by toggling the class filter at the top right. If you need to delete an assignment, hit Delete. Note that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. I'm not going to delete it for this demo. To create a new assignment, click Add Assignment. You will see all the classes you teach. This is especially helpful for teachers who teach the same subject across multiple grade sections. For example, suppose you are a math teacher, teaching several grade sections at the same grade level, such as grades 5A, 5B, and 5C. You're teaching them the same material and may give them an assignment around the same time, whether it's a classwork, homework, quiz, or any of the various assignment categories. Instead of creating the same assignment multiple times for each section, simply select all applicable classes by grade section that you want to create that assignment for. For the purpose of this demo, let's assume these are all the same classes but different sections. I want to create the same assignment but for different grade sections. In this scenario, I create an assignment and select the classes I want to create it for. I enter the assignment name, such as Good Demo Homework. Then select the homework assignment category. For the grading method, selecting points-based means that I'm going to grade the assignment with numeric scores, such as out of 5, 10, or whatever number I want. And selecting letter grades means that I'm going to grade the assignment with letter grades, such as pass/fail. In scenarios where the assignment grade will be numeric but is actually representative of a scale, such as the 4-3-2-1 scale, I will also use the letter grades option. For this demo, I'll use points-based option. I want to grade the assignment over 10, so I'll enter that as the maximum points. Select a due date within the term and add your description. Before I save this, recall that we've created our assignment in one workflow by selecting the classes of interest. Once you click Add Assignment, it is created simultaneously across all selected classes, each populated with its respective student roster. Let's now check out our newly created assignments for this class and the other classes we created the assignment for. And that's the end of this demo. Managing grades and assignments is as simple as that. Thank you for using Rekods Schools.